Hello everyone, this is my first devlog for the game Body Noise, and now I show you what I've already done for the second prototype. First, I've already started working on the weapon system, and so far it's going pretty well. You've already noticed this made the pistol itself and its animation, and I also made an ammo system and added a starting UI. I'll be changing everything in the future. Now let's talk about my game's graphics. I've made some minor changes to them since the last prototype, and I might do more in the future. Feel free to suggest your own graphical suggest for the future game. The most challenging part of challenging the current graphics was probably the lighting. Everything will likely change then. And the last thing I'd like to say before ending this devlog is this: I've started making a new map or level or whatever you want to call it. It will be the first cutscene in the game. Maybe in the future I'll add a cutscene at the very beginning, but for now I'm only planning on the second prototype. See you there.